Woke up to a silver sky over San Jose. Clouds roll soft like they got nowhere to stay. Coffee on the porch, hoodie pulled in tight. Smell of wet earth in that morning light. Down El Camino, tires hum slow. Raindrops dancing on the windshield glow. Palm sways and not a storm just grace. Springtime whisper in the Bay Area haze. It's that spring rain on the bay, washing all my worries away. Golden hills turning green again, like a promise riding on the wind. From the coast to the valley wide, you can feel the California pride. Sun breaks through, it always finds a way. After spring rain on the bay. Drove up north where the redwoods breathe. Fog rolls in like a memory. Every drop hits like a gentle song, saying slow it down, you've been gone too long. Couples walking dogs down Castro Street, kids in boots splashing puddles at their feet. No rush, no race, just time to feel. This kind of peace don't come unreal. It's that spring rain on the bay, washing all my worries away. Golden hills turning green again, like a promise riding on the wind. From the coast to the valley wide, you can feel the California pride. Sun breaks through, it always finds a way. After spring rain on the bay. When the clouds roll out by afternoon, sky turns blue like a brand new tune. Rainbow over highways lined with dreams. Nothing here's ever what it seems. You got tech lights and old oak trees, fast-paced life and a coastal breeze. Somewhere between the rush and calm, you find your truth in nature's song. It's that spring rain on the bay, soft as a prayer at the end of the day. Golden light on the rooftop shines like a postcard frozen in time. From the coast to the valley wide, you can feel the California pride. Yeah, the sun and the rain both got their say. And this springtime life on the bay, yeah, spring rain on